everybody, my name is Lady Grace M. and today I'm going to do the elephant toothpaste experiment. Looking for elephant toothpaste formula recipe? You've come to the right place. Here's where you'll get our easy to follow step-by-step instructions about how to make the world's famous Steve Spangler hydrogen peroxide and soapy yeast foaming reaction formula, also known as the elephant toothpaste experiment. Learn how to make elephant toothpaste recipe using safe and easy materials you can find at home. It is of course not toothpaste, so please do not try to brush your teeth with it. Here are the materials that we need for the experiment. 1 liter plastic soda bottle, 120 ml or 4 ounces hydrogen peroxide and 10%. 1 tablespoon liquid dish soap, 10 drops food coloring, 1 tablespoon dry yeast or package of dry yeast, 4 tablespoon warm water, measuring spoon, small plastic cup, funnel, gloves, and I already made cover for the bottle, safety glasses or goggles. Put on your safety glasses and rubber gloves. Use a funnel to add 4 ounces from 120 ml of 10 volume hydrogen peroxide to the 1 liter. Fill the bottle. Add a squirt of dish soap or 1 tablespoon and some food coloring to the hydrogen peroxide in the bottle. Now it's time for the food coloring. Give the solution a quick swirl to mix the contents. Carefully cover the bottle with the toothpaste wrap that we made previously. It is best to have someone help you with this step to prevent you from accidentally tipping over the bottle. The next step is to prepare a kid-friendly catalyst for the reaction by mixing an entire package of dry yeast with 4 tablespoons of very warm water in a small plastic cup. Stir the mixture with a spoon. If the mixture is too thick or paste-like, add a small amount of warm water to thin it out. Here comes the fun part! Pour the yeast mixture into the bottle and watch what happens. It may take a few seconds to react, but the result is well worth the wait. to release the oxygen molecules from the hydrogen peroxide solution. The oxygen-filled bubbles which make up the foam are actually the reminder of what happens when the hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen. The bottle will feel warm to touch because this is an exothermic reaction in which energy in the form of heat is given off. I hope you learned and enjoy watching our experiment for today. See you next time.